In the heart of November 1963, the vibrant city of Dallas, Texas, buzzed with anticipation. President John F. Kennedy, the charismatic leader of the United States, was about to embark on a journey to Texas, a symbol of unity and hope amidst the turbulent times. The air was thick with excitement as Kennedy's motorcade weaved through the bustling streets, waving to the eager crowds that lined the route. Little did they know, a tragic event was about to unfold, an event that would leave an indelible mark on American history. As the president's convertible approached Dealey Plaza, a man, hidden in the shadows, prepared his rifle. Lee Harvey Oswald, a former Marine and Marxist sympathizer, was about to bring his own brand of chaos to the day. The crowd roared with joy, cheering for their president. But as Kennedy's car passed the Texas School Book Depository, the unthinkable happened. 3 shots rang out, echoing through the air, interrupting the cacophony of cheers. In the back seat of the car, a stricken president slumped forward, his life slipping away. The world stood still as the gravity of the situation sank in. The man who had inspired a nation, who had stood as a beacon of hope amidst the Cold War, was now mortally wounded. The motorcade sped to the nearby Parkland Memorial Hospital, but it was too late. President John F. Kennedy was pronounced dead at 1 p.m., his life snuffed out in an instant. The nation was in shock, the world stunned. The assassination of President Kennedy was a crisis that shook the very foundations of America. A man who had dared to dream of a brighter future was gone, leaving a void that could never be filled. In the days, weeks, and months that followed, the nation mourned. A president was gone, but his legacy lived on. Kennedy's words, his dreams, and his vision for a better America continued to inspire generations, a testament to the indomitable spirit of a man who was lost too soon. The assassination of John F. Kennedy was more than just a tragic event. It was a turning point in American history, a moment that would forever change the course of the nation. And as the years passed, the mystery of who was behind the shooting and why would continue to be a subject of intense speculation and debate. But one thing was clear: John F. Kennedy, the man who dared to dream, would never be forgotten.